Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. I will start a new lecture series on VLSI technology. Today is the 13th class of this lecture series. Those who are not follow my channel, please follow my channel. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब की बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले. So let's get started. Welcome to VLSI Technology series. In previous lecture, I will discuss about the properties of the particular plane, that is 100 plane. In today's lecture, we talk about the 110 plane and discuss the properties of these particular planes. Okay? In this slide, we talk about the 110 plane's properties. That means its packing density. So, this is the 110 plane. This is the 110 planes. That means in this way we can represent this plane. 110 plane. Now, I have a corner atom here, one corner atom here, one here, and another corner atom is here. So, these four are all corner atoms of this 110 plane, right? And also in this plane, 110 plane, we can consider another two atoms, that is, one is placed here and the another one is placed here. So, these two atoms is the face-centered atom, right? And also in this plane, we can consider another two atoms, that is, one is placed here and another one is placed here. These two atoms are coming from the second sublattice and sitting on this plane. And the coordinates of these two atoms are 1/4, 3/4, 3/4 and 3/4, 1/4, 3/4. Okay? We already discussed about this topic. So, this corner atom, we can consider this corner atom is shared by four 110 planes. How? We can consider a plane is here, another plane we can consider here, and this plane we can consider here. Okay, so this corner atom is shared by four planes, four 110 planes, right? Therefore, the contribution of the corner atom is 4 into 1/4, that is equal to 1. Next, the contribution of face-centered atom, and it is shared by two planes. So, the contribution of the face-centered atom is 2 into half, that is equal to 1. We can consider in 110 plane two atoms from the second sublattice, that is these two black atom. Okay. So, these two atoms are also countable, right? So, the total contribution or the total atomic contribution to the 110 plane is 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Now, what about the area of the 110 plane? This side of the plane is A, right? And this side of the plane is root 2A. Okay. So, the area of the plane is root 2 square, right? So how we can calculate the packing density? That is total contribution of atom, that is equal to 4 by area of the plane, that is equal to root 2 square. That means we can write here 4 by root 2 square, that is equal to 2 root 2 by a square, right? So we see for 100 plane the atomic density was 2 by a square, and for 110 plane the atomic density is 2 root 2 by a square. Therefore, the atomic density is larger in case of 110 plane, right? So these all are the properties of 110 plane. Okay, here we end today's session. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.